Hey everyone, I'm Jonathan and I'm part of the team that worked on the Watt Saver Home Level Personalized Energy Coach. And it's part of the Capstone project that was uh, the last part of the was the Gen AI intensive course. We set out to build something that helps everyday people make sense of their energy bills and energy usage, um, and using the power of generative AI. We're successful, and it was very exciting. Um, there was a group, a total of four of us, who worked on this, and all with different experience levels, and contributing and getting um, help from Google's API along the way. And so I do want to let you know that I'm going to go over this pretty briefly, but make sure to check out our GitHub and our blog to get some more insight and into what it took to get this project going and what's happening here really in our notebook. Um, so we start off just by installing Google's API so we can access those AI capabilities, install a couple of libraries that are going to help us out here, NumPy and Pandas from Python, and we have our two document files here. So uh, one file contains energy usage for a year, hourly energy usage for a year for a home, and then the other document contains energy uses for many homes, and specifically appliances. So it gives us that data there. We create two data sets out of those files, and we start right away going into document understanding, asking Google AI here to take our data sets, um, basically understand them and analyze them, and then give us some insights, and then give us some Python code to help us continue to process and clean each data set. And we use that here, and it helps us out a lot. We continue to ask for insight and um, ask the AI to analyze our data. We were able to get the top 10 appliances here by total energy consumption. You see the appliance here and the energy consumption by kilowatt hours here. And so, um, and then here, this was a really important one. We had this huge energy spike here of energy consumption, and it was in the beginning of the year, so around January 24. And so, as we continue to go through the project, we uh, we go ahead and ask AI to go ahead and examine the image here, um, and our data, and give us some insights from that. And so the AI worked really well. It was able to see some some uh, it was able to reason that, hey, this might be due to extreme weather, might be due to holiday activities, extended vacation, and and then give us some suggestions on how to reduce energy consumption again. So we continue to um, use different AI capabilities here to look at our data. I want to go ahead and up to about right here, where we go ahead and connect to the SQLite database. And this is good when your database gets larger, and you want to uh, really kind of um, do some deeper analysis uh, from my basic understanding. And so um, we connect to the SQLite database, put in our data sets, we start analyzing some different things here. So we use a few shot prompt as well to help us do that, or help the AI do that. It'll gives it some structure here with our prompts. We start breaking it down even further into hourly blocks throughout the day. And let's see, we end up connecting the weather data and making connections between the weather of the time and the energy consumption. Um, and so we try to predict the cost of the energy consumption as well, um, and predict the amount of usage depending on the weather. Then we build an agent where we allows the user to ask questions with their own data, energy data. It allows the AI to give them insights and personalized suggestions. What the agent will do is get the weather forecast for the next 3 days and give suggestions of energy savings to the user. And that's here. And we did run into some limitations. The API key only allowed for so much data to be passed in a model in a single request. So we only got so much out of the agent here. And then again, like I mentioned before, we each had different experience levels of experience and time constraints too. So, but we were pretty successful with this, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you want to know more, check out the links below. Thanks.